If your anxious attachment could speak, there are 5 things it would say to their avoidant partner. Welcome to the Anxious to Secure podcast. I am Yula. If you have an anxious attachment style and you struggle to put it into words how you deeply feel, how hard it is to be in a relationship when your whole nervous system is screaming that love is dangerous, then this episode is for you. You might even want to share it with your partner or someone you care about, like a friend or family member, if you're brave enough to let them in how you truly feel. Disclaimer, I'm not a therapist or doctor. This content is for informational and entertainment purposes only. It does not intend to diagnose, treat, or heal any mental health condition. If you're in an abusive relationship or dealing with severe mental health challenges, always seek professional advice. Hey, it's me, the anxious partner. Here are a few things I would love to share with you about me. So here we go. I am not trying to control you. I am just scared. I'm not trying to overthink everything you say or analyze your text or get upset when you're quiet or need space. I'm not trying to suffocate you. I just feel the pain in my chest, a drop in my stomach. My body goes in full alert mode the moment there's a micro shift in your tone or energy. I know I should feel safe and relax in love. But I'm not meant to be hypervigilant and on guard like this. And I know it adds pressure for you, and I'm sorry. Watching every move, notice the slightest changes. My body can't relax, and it's always waiting for the moment everything falls apart, and it's exhausting. I'm always waiting for the moment you might leave. You might realize I'm not good enough or I'm too much. And every time you pull away, my mind takes off and sees it as proof that I'm not good enough and I'm too much or I'm too needy, not lovable, that I should have tried harder, that I'm not worthy of love, I'm not funny enough or pretty enough, even when I know you love me. My body doesn't just feel it yet. And not to punish you away more, and not to push you away more, I've made myself small to keep you close. You may not realize this, but I've been walking on eggshells since months. Not saying what really hurts me or what I truly want or desire or wish for us. Not naming what I really want or asking for clarity. Because part of me is terrified that if I really show all of me, you will leave. So instead, I've learned how to perform, how to overgive, how to be easy, the easy partner, how to sacrifice what I need in hope that you will stay. It's not just about you, it's about my past actually. The reason I panic when you take space or you don't text back fast enough or don't say the right words or say you need to be alone is because a part of me still believes that distance means abandonment. It means it's not safe. When I was little, emotional distance meant danger because sometimes it was there and sometimes it wasn't there. The closeness with my mother or my father. So this connection was really like a rejection. And now, even though I'm an adult, my nervous system hasn't caught up to this yet. I still think I'm like a 5-year-old begging someone to come back. And it's not fair to put this all on you, but I need to know you're not the whole reason I get triggered, that you will be there for me. You're just a person close enough to activate what already has been buried inside me. But when my nervous system is activated, I can't think clear, and I think it's you that is a threat and it doesn't love me and abandons me. So please don't take it personal. Just comfort me a little bit. I don't want to be this way. I hate this part of me. I reject it. I feel shamed about it. I hate how my emotions take over, how I spiral, how I get angry and then immediately feel guilty, how I ask for reassurance over and over again and it's still not enough. Even when I told myself I wouldn't, I feel broken sometimes and I'm working so hard to fix it, to become more secure, to be able to soothe myself instead of needing you to do it. But please don't mistake my anxiety for manipulation. Please don't mistake my fear for lack of love. I care so deeply it hurts. That's what makes it so hard. When you shut down, I feel invisible. When you go quiet or say, I don't know how to help, or walk away from a conversation, I feel like I don't matter. I feel like I've done something wrong. I feel like you don't care about us. I jump to the worst possible scenarios in my head, and I keep reinforcing these scenarios image by image and over again. Like my pain is so much, and I feel like I'm too much for you. And I know it's not fair to put this on you, but I just don't know how to self-soothe. I don't know how to be okay with this. I don't know how to make it better or go away. But that's how it lands in my body. I don't want to be soothed like a child. I just want to feel like you see me, that I'm not a problem, not as someone who's too sensitive, but as someone who's hurting. Can you just hold me for a moment? Even just with your presence, even just with a I see you, I'm here for you, even just with reaching out your hand, just with one small hug. I don't need you to fix it. I just need to feel that I'm not alone, that we've got this. I want love to feel safe for both of us, though. I know you need space sometimes. I know you feel overwhelmed when I come to you with millions of emotions. I know you shut down because you feel unsafe too. So maybe we're not that different after all. We both want love to feel like a place we can exhale, feel safe. We both want to stop being scared. We both want to feel safe enough to stay and not run. And I'm doing the work to meet you halfway, to be more regulated, to trust you more, to trust myself more, to hold myself and let you in. All I ask is that you meet me there. Not perfectly, not with all the answers, but just with your heart open. Just a little bit more, so we can both feel secure together. Is that something you are open to do? Love, anxious attachment. So I'm back. It's Yula. If this episode spoke to you, it's because these are the words so many of us never really felt to say out loud. It was so easy for me to write these words because I felt all of this like years ago when I had an anxious attachment style. Now I have an earned secure attachment style, so I really don't feel this anymore. And if you want help with this, you don't need to go through this alone. I can support you on this journey. Check out the links below the YouTube video on this, and really let this be your permission slip to feel what you feel, to stop apologizing for your nervous system, to hold space for both truth and tenderness, even when it's a little bit messy. And if someone you love maybe is avoidant, maybe share this with them if you are ready to it and if they are able to receive it. Not to fix anything, not to prove anything, not to force this on them, just to, because healing starts in the moment you feel seen as well. And I know how much of a relief this can be if you're doing this with someone else, someone who used to feel exactly like you. It's like when you realize you don't have to chase and the shift is finally happening, you feel everything is possible for you. And having someone in your corner can really help. If you want me as your support, either through coaching, through WhatsApp, or through like video call support, or even through like micro offers, check out my one-on-one coaching support or other offers. Absolutely no pressure. I have monthly coaching support as well, where you can cancel anytime. We'll figure out what feels right for you. Jump on a call with me or email me to see what program is right for you, aligned with your budget and your goals and your challenges, and we'll figure something out. Anyway, I hope you liked this episode, and if it's hit home with you, comment underneath the YouTube video which ones of these moments hit hard for you. And I'll see you in the next episode. And remember, change in your relationship starts with you. Thought by thought, action by action, and now episode by episode. Lots of love. Yula. Bye bye.